Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I will show you that how you can connect your STS or Eclipse with your Bitbucket so that you can clone your code or check out your code. So here you can see I have created one repo, and inside that master branch, I have placed one file name with file1, and here I have write some random statement like, okay, this is my first commit. Now I will add my SSH keys inside my Bitbucket so that I can clone this whole repository with my Eclipse or with my STS. So first of all, you have to go inside your this PC, then Windows C, then users folder. After that, your home folder. Like here, the name I have goes inside Ashutosh folder. Okay. So there you can see like .ssh folder is present. But in case if in your system it is not present, Eclipse will automatically create. So don't worry about that. The .ssh folder is here, right? So I will now generate my SSH keys in order to connect with Bitbucket. So for generating SSH keys, you have to go inside your preference. Then you will search here for SSH2. Then go inside the key management. After that, click on generate DSA keys. So here now you can see like the public key is generated here, and here this is the fingerprint. This is the comment. You can put your password here if you want, or you can leave as it is. After that, click on save private key, and here it is prompting like, okay, do you want to generate your private key without password? So yes, okay. So I will click on OK, and inside my .ssh folder, my key will be stored. So here you can give any name and just click on save it. So it generated my key. So the key with the dot sub extension is basically your public key, which you will add inside your Bitbucket. And ID underscore DSA underscore my key is your private key. Okay. So click on OK. After that, like you can maximize it here, and this is the public key what you have to quick paste in your Bitbucket. So just I will select all and copy it. Then I will go inside my Bitbucket, then personal settings. Okay. Then inside that SSH keys I will go and click on add key button. You can paste your key here and you can name anything like in the label section and click on add key button. Okay. So now you can see like my key is added here. Now I have to clone my repo. Okay. So I will click on my repository. Then on the clone button I will click. I am basically selecting the protocol SSH here and just copy this. After that, go inside your Eclipse or STS, and you will have to, like, if you can't see your Git repository option here, you just go inside window, then show view. After that, you have to go the other option, then just search here Git repositories. So you can directly open from there. Okay. After that, you can see like we have an hyperlink like clone a Git repository. Just simply click on that. Your URL what we have copied from the Bitbucket will automatically paste it here. Then just click on next, and you can just simply accept it, and just okay, click on okay. After that, you can see like my master branch is populated here from my Bitbucket. Just click on next. Here you will give the directory where you want to basically store your code. So suppose I want to store it in on my desktop. So first I have to create one folder here. So I will create one folder with name code, and I will give this folder as my directory location. So now my clone code from the Bitbucket will be stored inside my code folder with the name code burner repo, or you can name anything what you want. Then just click on finish. So here you can see like my cloning has been done, and it is like added inside my Git repository. Now if you go inside your code folder, you can see my whole repo and the file one is here. Okay. And the same thing will be written here, like this is my first commit, what I have showed you in the remote repository file one, and this is my first commit. So this is the way like how you can connect your STS or Eclipse with your Bitbucket so that you can check in or check out code. In next video, I will show you like how you can push or commit or like take pull requests from your Eclipse to the Git. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.